Hey there, tech-savvy foodies! Welcome back to Circuit Breakers, where we dive deep into the world of culinary innovation and gadgetry. Today, we're taking you on an epic journey through the realm of kitchen gadgets that promise to blow your mind without blowing your budget. That's right, folks. We've scoured the culinary landscape to uncover 10 unbelievable gadgets priced under $200 that are guaranteed to transform your kitchen into a hub of creativity and convenience. So buckle up and get ready to be wowed. Cooking made easy with Instant Pot Duo Nova and a Nova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. In a world where time is of the essence, smart gadgets have swooped in to save the day. Picture this: whipping up a gourmet meal with just the touch of a button. Sounds too good to be true? Not with the Instant Pot Duo Nova and a Nova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker in your arsenal. These bad boys are the superheroes of the kitchen, making everything from pressure cooking to sous vide a breeze. Say goodbye to culinary stress and hello to effortless cooking. Let's start our journey through the realm of kitchen innovation with a closer look at these game-changing smart gadgets. Number 10. The Instant Pot Duo Nova, your ultimate kitchen sidekick. If you haven't heard of the Instant Pot, where have you been hiding? This kitchen dynamo has taken the culinary world by storm, and the Duo Nova is its latest and greatest iteration. With a whopping 7 functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, and yogurt making, this multi-cooker is a true powerhouse. But the real magic? It can reduce cooking time by up to 70%, making it a lifesaver for busy individuals craving homemade meals without the hassle. Plus, with its sleek design and easy-to-use controls, even kitchen newbies can whip up restaurant-quality dishes with confidence. Number 9. A Nova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Elevate your cooking game. Sous vide may sound fancy, but with the Nova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker, it's easier than ever to achieve restaurant-quality results at home. This precision cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking by allowing you to precisely control the temperature of your water bath, ensuring that your food cooks evenly every time. And with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor your meal's progress from anywhere, so you can spend less time hovering over the stove and more time doing what you love. Whether you're a steak aficionado or a dessert devotee, this gadget is sure to take your culinary creations to the next level. Conquer the kitchen with KitchenAid hand blender and OXO Good Grips salad spinner. Who has time to waste in the kitchen? Not you, my friend. That's why we've got the KitchenAid hand blender and OXO Good Grips salad spinner on deck to help you conquer meal prep like a pro. From smoothies to soups, the hand blender does it all in a flash, while the salad spinner keeps your greens crisp and fresh without breaking a sweat. With these time-saving tools by your side, you'll be whipping up culinary masterpieces in no time. Let's take a closer look at these kitchen superheroes. Number 8. KitchenAid Hand Blender. Blend, chop, whisk, all in one. The ultimate multitasking marvel. With its multiple attachments for blending, chopping, and whisking, this handheld powerhouse can tackle any culinary task with ease. From silky smooth soups to velvety vinaigrettes, the possibilities are endless. And with variable speeds and an ergonomic design, you'll have total control over your creations, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. Number 7. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Say goodbye to soggy salads. There's nothing worse than a soggy salad, but with the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner, that's a thing of the past. This innovative gadget features a patented pump mechanism that efficiently removes excess moisture from your greens, keeping them crisp and fresh for days. Plus, with its non-slip base and easy-to-use brake button, salad prep has never been easier. Say goodbye to wilted lettuce and hello to salads that stay fresh and crunchy until the last bite. Maximize your kitchen space with Instant Pot Air Fryer Lid and Chef and Veggie Chop hand-powered food chopper. Who says you need a sprawling kitchen to cook up a storm? Not us. With the Instant Pot Air Fryer Lid and Chef and Veggie Chop hand-powered food chopper, you can maximize every inch of your kitchen space without sacrificing performance. Turn your Instant Pot into a versatile air fryer or chop veggies with ease, all while keeping your countertops clutter-free. Small kitchen, big possibilities. Before we move on, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with the latest and greatest tech videos we put up every single week. Now, let's carry on. Number 6. Instant Pot Air Fryer Lid. Fry without the fat. Love the crispy crunch of fried food but hate the guilt? Meet your new kitchen BFF, the Instant Pot Air Fryer Lid. This transformative accessory turns your trusty Instant Pot into a versatile air fryer, allowing you to enjoy all your favorite fried foods with a fraction of the oil. From golden French fries to crispy chicken wings, the possibilities are endless. And with its compact design, it seamlessly integrates with your Instant Pot, saving valuable countertop space without sacrificing performance. Say goodbye to greasy stovetop frying and hello to healthier, hassle-free cooking. Number 5. Chef and Veggie Chop, hand-powered food chopper. Chop like a pro without the electricity. Who says you need electricity to chop like a pro? Not chefin', that's for sure. With the Veggie Chop hand-powered food chopper, you can chop vegetables, fruits, nuts, and herbs with just a simple pull mechanism. No outlets required. Whether you're whipping up a batch of salsa or chopping nuts for baking, this compact powerhouse has got you covered. Plus, its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Say goodbye to bulky electric appliances and hello to streamlined, space-saving chopping power. Master the art of cooking with OXO Good Grips, digital kitchen scale, and Taylor Precision Products thermometer. Attention to detail is the name of the game in the culinary world, and with the OXO Good Grips, digital kitchen scale, and Taylor Precision Products thermometer by your side, you'll be cooking with precision and finesse. Whether you're measuring ingredients for baking or checking the temperature of your roast, these gadgets have got you covered. Let's take a closer look at these precision instruments and see how they can elevate your cooking game. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Digital Kitchen Scale. Measure like a pro. Baking is a science, and precise measurements are key to success. That's where the OXO Good Grips Digital Kitchen Scale comes in. With its large, easy-to-read display and precise sensors, this digital scale ensures accurate measurements every time, so you can say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfect pastries. Plus, its slim design and ability to convert between different units make it a versatile addition to any kitchen, whether you're a baking novice or a seasoned pro. Number 3. Taylor Precision Products Thermometer. Cook with confidence. When it comes to cooking meat, precision is everything. That's why the Taylor Precision Products Thermometer is a must-have tool for any kitchen. With both infrared and thermocouple sensors, this thermometer provides quick and accurate readings of surface and internal temperatures, ensuring that your meat is cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're grilling, baking, or making candy, you can cook with confidence knowing that your food will turn out just the way you like it. Add flair to your cooking routine with Joseph Nest 9+ bowls set and Chef and Stem Gem Strawberry Huller. Who says cooking can't be fun? From colourful nesting bowls to a nifty strawberry huller, these accessories are guaranteed to spark joy in the kitchen. So go ahead, get creative, and let your culinary imagination run wild. Let's explore these innovative accessories and see how they can take your cooking to the next level. Number 2. Joseph Nest 9+ bowls set. A pop of colour and functionality. Mixing bowls, measuring cups, and a sieve. The Joseph Nest 9+ bowl set has everything you need to tackle any cooking or baking task with ease. But what sets this set apart from the rest? Its ingenious nesting design, of course. With bowls and cups that stack neatly together, this set saves valuable cabinet space while adding a pop of colour to your kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies or sifting flour for a cake, you'll love the convenience and functionality of this versatile set. Number 1. And Chef and Stem Gem Strawberry Huller. Say goodbye to strawberry stems. Whoever said, "Don't play with your food," clearly never had the Chef and Stem Gem Strawberry Huller. This ingenious gadget makes removing strawberry stems a breeze, so you can spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your favorite fruits. Simply twist and push, and voila, your strawberries are ready to be devoured. Plus, with its compact size and dishwasher-safe design, cleanup is a snap. Whether you're garnishing desserts, salads, or enjoying berries straight from the container, the Stem Gem is sure to become your new kitchen favorite. As we draw to a close in our exploration of revolutionary kitchen gadgets, it's evident that the culinary landscape has been forever transformed by innovation and ingenuity. Throughout this journey, we've unveiled 10 unbelievable gadgets, each offering a unique blend of functionality, convenience, and affordability, all priced under $200. From smart appliances to precision instruments, these gadgets have redefined the way we approach cooking, promising to revolutionize kitchens around the world. Thank you for joining me in this tech culinary journey. If you are still with me and ended up liking this video, hit that like button, subscribe to be the first to watch my latest content, and drop all your thoughts down in the comments. Until next time, this is Circuit Breakers signing off.